Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to set a password or PIN on Windows. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. First, you have to go to your Start menu, and then here you have to search for Sign In options. So you have to open this one right here, and it will take you directly to your settings. Here you will see different options, but what you're going to do is you have to look for the password option right here. So in order for you to basically set up a password or PIN, you have to tap on password and then you have to create a password here. You cannot create PIN on Windows if you haven't added your password first. So tap this one and then make sure that you are creating a unique type of password. Type it right here. You need to confirm and you need to add a password hint in case you forgot your password. So for example, my password hint is number. So everything is up to you. Once done, then you can now proceed and continue. And basically, that's how you set up or add a password here on your Windows. After that, you can now start adding your PIN. So make sure that you have added your password first before your PIN. And basically, that's how easy it is to set a password or PIN on Windows. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.